يا أيها الذين آمنوا شهادة بينكم إذا حضر أحدكم الموت حين الوصية اثنان ذوا عدل منكم أو آخران من غيركم إن أنتم ضربتم في الأرض فأصابتكم مصيبة الموت تحبسونهما من بعد الصلاة فيقسمان بالله إن ارتبتم لا نشتري به ثمنا ولو كان ذا قربى ولا نكتم شهادة الله إنا إذا لمن الآثمين.
Believers, when death approaches you, let two persons of equity among you act as witnesses when you make your bequest, or let two of those from others than yourselves act as witnesses if you are on a journey, when the affliction of death befalls you. Then if any doubt occurs, you shall detain both of them in the mosque after the prayer, and they shall swear by Allah. We shall neither sell our testimony in return for any gain, even though it concerns any near of kin, nor shall we conceal our testimony which we owe to Allah, for then we should become among the sinners.
فإن عثر على أنهما استحقا إثما فآخران يقومان مقامهما من الذين استحق عليهم الأوليان فيقسمان بالله لشهادتنا أحق من شهادتهما وما اعتدينا إنا إذا لمن الظالمين.
Then if it is discovered later that the two are guilty of such sin, then two others shall stand in their place from among those against whom the two had sinfully deposed, and swear by Allah. Our testimony is truer than the testimony of the other two, and we have not transgressed in our statement, for then indeed we would become sinners.
ذلك أدنى أن يأتوا بالشهادة على وجهها أو يخافوا أن ترد أيمان بعد أيمانهم واتقوا الله واسمعوا والله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
Thus, it is more likely that they will either bear the right testimony, or else they will at least fear that their oaths may be rebutted by other oaths. Have fear of Allah and pay heed. Allah does not direct the disobedient to the right way.
يوم يجمع الله الرسل فيقول ماذا أجبتم قالوا لا علم لنا إنك أنت علام الغيوب.
The day when Allah will gather together the messengers and say, "What answer were you given?" They will reply, "We have no real knowledge of it. You alone fully know all that lies beyond the reach of perception."
إذ قال الله يا عيسى ابن مريم اذكر نعمتي عليك وعلى والدتك إذ أيدتك بروح القدس تكلم الناس في المهد وكهلا وإذ علمتك الكتاب والحكمة والتوراة والإنجيل وإذ تخلق من الطين كهيئة الطير بإذني فتنفخ فيها فتكون طيرا بإذني وتبرئ الأكمه والأبرص بإذني وإذ تخرج الموتى بإذني وإذ كففت بني إسرائيل عنك عنك إذ جئتهم بالبينات فقال الذين كفروا منهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
Imagine then when Allah will say, Jesus, son of Mary, recall my favor upon you and your mother, and when I strengthened you with the spirit of holiness, so that you talk to people in the cradle, and also when you became of age, and when I taught you the book and wisdom, and the Torah, and the gospel, and when by my leave you fashioned from clay the likeness of a bird, and you breathed into it, and by my leave it became a bird, and you healed by my leave the blind by birth, and the leprous, and when by my leave you caused the dead to come to life. And recall when I restrained the Israelites from you, when you came to them with clear proofs, whereupon those of them who disbelieved said, This is nothing but plain magic.